Gratitude 5. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims often increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, such as attending the mosques for the congregational prayers or reciting more spiritual exercises in times of difficulty. But in times of ease they often relax and become lazy. But it is important to note that generally it is more important to be more on guard and increase one's obedience during times of ease than times of difficulty. This is because one often sins more during times of ease than difficulty, such as abandoning their obligatory duties. If one reviews the different misguided people in history, such as Pharaoh and Qarun, they will observe that their sins only multiplied during times of ease. Someone who is facing a difficulty where they are stuck and have no option but to patiently wait for relief is less likely to sin, as they desire to be relieved of their difficulty. Whereas, a person experiencing times of ease will be in a better position to enjoy and overindulge in worldly things, which often leads to sins. For example, a person facing poverty is less likely to sin, as many sins require wealth. Whereas, a wealthy person is in an easier position to commit those sins, such as purchasing alcohol or drugs. Therefore, Muslims should take note of this and ensure they maintain or even increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, during times of ease, so that they do not fall into sins and disobedience. In addition, the one who is obedient to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands and refraining from His prohibitions during times of ease, will gain the support of Allah, the Exalted, during their times of difficulty, which will aid them to overcome them successfully. Chapter 47, Muhammad, verse 7.
O you who have believed, if you support Allah, He will support you and plant firmly your feet.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.